Now I'm doing a favour tonight for the landlady of the Tiddly, and we are escorting some young people to their prom. That young lady on the trike, and some more in my mate Chris's Mustang. So this is a really gentle ride, like 35 mile an hour I believe we've been told we've got to do. So here we are, just waiting for the gang to come out. Nice gentle ride, about 5 miles up the road. It's a pity I'm not at the back. I'm one of the lead bikes, so all I got is the arse end of this Harley to show you, but hopefully I'll be able to look back and edit a load of boring stuff out of this so that you can see who and what was involved. I've got a trike up my tailpipe, he's got a Mustang up his tailpipe. I'm going to be doing about 100 to the gallon here. Now, there's a big flash hotel and a massive army base in the place that we're going to. I don't imagine it will be on the army place, but it could well be in the big flash hotel, a place that I've never been to before. I've passed it more times than you could shake a stick at, but I've never actually been to it. So I'm going to stab a guess at that's where it is. There's always one. Some of us have nothing to prove. We have adequate sized penises. I mean, mine's not huge, but it can still fill a pram. Turnhill Hall. I've heard this is dead posh. So we will all lower the tone. Hey up, everyone's queuing up to have their photos taken. It is bloody hard work, yeah. Yeah, I'll tell you what, riding at that speed.
No, just going to get the traction down and then get you round. Okay.
Okay, that's the most impressive vehicle I've seen so far. There's a bowler Land Rover. That's pretty impressive. They're coming my way in a second. Yeah. Shit like the Trans Am that's about to appear and that bowler Land Rover. And that Trans Am. Vehicles of the evening. And I think we've got this at least as impressive a gang of vehicles. Yeah, we can outnoise you, sunshine. There's more of us. That's that.